idea. Hello, welcome to Gurukul Knowledgopedia. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a phone stand. That is very simple. So to make a phone stand, what we require is a cardboard piece and scissors. The cardboard piece must have a length of 18.5 centimeters and a breadth of 4 centimeters. The first step is to take the cardboard piece and fold it into half. So the second step is to draw two squares, leaving 1.4 centimeter space from the center line and drawing two squares of 2.5 centimeter side. We have to cut both the squares. After cutting both the squares, it will look somewhat like this. Phone stand is ready. All we have to do is put a phone in these two square boxes. See, our phone stand is done. So, I have designed my phone stand. You can design it in your own way. Did you enjoy our video? Please comment, like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Bye!